Hey, what's up guys? An exciting news is coming from Redmi. Redmi is soon going to launch its new Redmi K30 and Redmi K30 Pro. The Redmi K20 line or Mi90 line, depending on where you live, has been among the most popular handsets in the brand's lineup. Recently, however, we have our first look at the next generation in the Redmi K series. We have been hearing for some time now that the brand is working on a 5G phone. An early look of the Redmi K30 during the launch presentation for the Redmi 8 in China. In addition to the 5G support, the phone will also come with a punch display, which would be a first from Xiaomi. Weibing shared a teaser of the device on his Weibo profile, and it appears to have a similar setup to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with a dual front camera in the top right corner. This dual selfie camera module looks thinner than one we have in Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Moving on to the other information, the K30 will come with a dual 5G support. This means it will work with both standalone mode and a non-standalone networking, with the latter still relying on existing LTE infrastructure for some tasks such as communication between cell towers and servers. This will allow for better connectivity and lower cost of 5G deployment in new areas. In terms of pricing, Weibing mentioned that the K30 will not be the most affordable 5G phone but will still follow the cost-effective nature of the Redmi brand. According to some speculation, the phone will ship with the upcoming Qualcomm 7250 chipset, which supports dual mode 5G. And the new Qualcomm 700 series will have a 5G support, which will be an budget or affordable 5G chipset for the mid-range phones. So Redmi K30 is expected to come with the Qualcomm 700 series 5G chipset, which makes it more affordable 5G phone than others. So this is all we know about the new upcoming K30 and K30 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.